Okay, so let's continue to the last graph. Okay, when you have something like this, okay, function y equals to x power of negative 2. Okay, so what is actually power of x, y equals to x power of negative 2. Okay, so this is actually one of the reciprocal graph. Okay, so if you have something like this, okay, y equals to x negative 2, the power is negative. Okay, so to make it to make the power positive, you need to bring this whole thing to the denominator, so it will become 1 over x square. Okay, so this two function is the same. Okay, so don't panic. Okay, so if you look something that have negative power, okay, just bring it down. Okay, so it will become a reciprocal with power of 2. Okay, over here you have reciprocal with power of 1. Okay, so let's fill in the blank first. Okay, so when x equals to negative 3, okay, so y, okay, you can either write it as, okay, negative 3 power of negative 2, okay, or you can write it as 1 over negative 3 power of 2. Okay, both of these are the same. Okay, so your answer is 0.11. Okay, so how to say this is 0.11, not 0.11, 0.11. Okay, next, so when x equals to negative 1, so y is equals to negative 1, okay, power of negative 2. So your answer is 1. Okay, last one, when x equals to 0.5, y will equal to 0.5 power of negative 2, 4. Okay, so don't forget to fill in the answer 0.1114. Okay, okay, so let's draw the graph. Okay, is it enough? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 0.5 1 1.5 2.53 3.54. Not enough, so let's use this graph paper. Okay, so let's draw the axis. Okay, so I have 0 1 2 3 4, this is x, negative 1 negative 2 negative 3 negative 4. Okay, am I right? Okay, let's look over here. This is the range. Okay, negative 4 4. Okay, next, okay, so for y-axis we have 2 centimeter, 0.5 unit, so this is 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4. Okay, so this is y. Okay, okay, please, if you draw your graph, please draw it neatly. Okay, don't cincai. Most of the teachers don't like to see your graph messy. Okay, please draw it cantik. Okay, so the first one we have is negative 4, 0.06. So negative 4. Okay, so 0.06 is, okay, so now, so we have 10. I teach you how to calculate the, what we call it, the boxes. Okay, so we have negative 4, 0.06. Okay, so look over here, we have 0.5, so we have 10 boxes, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so each boxes will be, so you press your calculator, 0.5 divided by 10, so your answer is 0.05. so which mean every small box is 0.05. Okay, so we want 0.06, right? So it means 0.05, this is 0.1, so in the middle here. Okay, so just around this area. Okay, boleh kan? Okay, next we have negative 3. Negative 3 is 0.11. Okay, so 0.1. So this is 0.1. So 0.11. Okay. You can press your calculator. Okay, 0.11 divided by 0.05. So your answer is 2.2. So you draw, okay, at 2.2 boxes. Okay, for example, 1 2, this is 1.0, 0.1 already, so 0.01, just a little up here. Okay, okay, next is negative 2, 0.25. Okay, oh sorry, wrong area. Okay, here. Okay, next, negative 2, 0.25. So 0.25 around here. Okay. Okay, next, negative 1, negative 1, 1, negative 1, 1 over here. Okay. So next, negative 0.5, 4. Okay, up here. Next, okay, just reciprocal, right? So next, okay, kita lawankan sahaja dia punya point. Okay, 1, okay, 1 over here, 2, 3, 4. Okay, saya padam yang ni, bagi comel sikit. Okay, so now let's connect the point. Okay, so I'm using green lah, green. Okay, 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 please draw it smoothly. Okay, okay, cantik. Wait, I'm correcting this one. Okay, okay, clear. So this is reciprocal graph with x power of 2. Okay, never mind, don't worry if your graph is not that beautiful, not that cute. Okay, because this is maybe your first time drawing this type of graph. Okay, please do a lot of exercises, okay, in order to perfecting your curve. Okay, so settle. Okay, last subtopic for today. Okay, 8.2.2, before we move forward to 8.2.3 next class. Okay, so interpreting graph of function. Okay, you have draw your graph. Okay, now you want to interpret. Okay, what information can you get from your graph? Okay, so let's interpret the graph. Okay, let's look over here. Okay, Interpreting graph of function is like studying trends and making prediction according to the relation derived from the variables. Okay, so example 10. The diagram shows a graph of function for y equals to x plus 2. So this is a straight line, okay, because only x, okay. From the graph, determine the value of y when x equals to 2. Okay, so from the graph, okay, when x equals to 2, mana x equals to 2 ni x kan, x equals to 2. Okay, so what you need to do, you make a dot 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 dash like this, okay, until you reach the line, okay, and then you bring it to y-axis. Okay, so over here we can see that, okay, when x equals to 2, okay, dot 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 until the line, and then bring it to y-axis. So y is equals to 6. Okay, easy, right? Next, value of x when y equals to 4. Okay, so let's use a different color, green. Okay, so now y equals to 4. Where is y? This is y, 4 over here. Okay, make a dot 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 until you reach the line and bring it forward to x-axis. So this is your answer. Okay, so B when y equals to 4, x equals to 1. As simple as that. Okay, in exam, please do this dot 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 things, okay, because this is one of your steps in order for you to get the answer. Okay, jangan kedekut ink, lukis saja. Use pencil, okay. Okay, next example 11. Okay, the diagram shows a graph of the function y equals to x squared minus 2. Okay, so x squared, you will have a quadratic graph, a parabola shape. Okay, next, value of y when x equals to 2. Okay, now x equals to 2 is over here. Okay, same, let's do the dot dot dot. Okay, 2 until you reach the line, then you bring it to the y-axis. Okay, so when x equals to 2, y is equals to 2. Okay, when x equals to 2, y equals to 2. Next, okay, when value of x when y equals to 7. Okay, let's cari where is y equals to 7. Over here. This is y equals to 7. Okay, but okay, let's look over here. Y equals to 7. There are two sides of the graph. Okay, you have the graph on the left side and on the right side. Okay, so you need to do both sides. Okay, so let's do it on the right first. So dot 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 until reach the line. Okay, bring it forward to the x-axis. Okay, same goes to the left side. Okay, kena adil kiri dan kanan. So over here is negative 3, this is 3. Okay, so B when y equals to 7, okay, x is equals to 3 or negative 3. So we have two values when y equals to 7. Okay. Okay, next, let's look at example 12. Okay, the graph of function shows the movement of a ball that was dropped from the height of 4 meters. Based on the graph, determine the distance of the ball from the ground at the first minute. Okay, so at the first minute, okay, let's look over here. This is first minute. Okay, dot 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 until you reach the graph line and then bring it forward to y-axis. So you get the value of 2. Okay, so when x equals to 1, y is equals to 2. So let's do a conclusion. Okay, therefore the distance of the ball from the ground is 2 meters. Okay, Okay, next, this is A. Next, B, time when the ball touches the ground. Okay, so when the ball touch the ground, it means the height is 0, right? So look over here, height, look for 0. Okay, so 0, where did the line cross? Okay, so x is equals to 2. So we can say that, okay, when y equals to 0, x equals to 2. So the conclusion is, therefore, okay, ball touches the ground at the second minute. Okay, senang kan? Okay, so next, let's continue with example 13. So we have 5 questions over here. Okay, during the Entrepreneurial Expo, Anis sold fried rice at the Consumer Club's stall. The graph shows the number of fried rice packets sold with the profit that Anis gained. Okay, so from the graph, what is the profit earned by Anis if she sold 20 packet of fried rice? So this is a number of packet. So this is number of profit. Okay, so when she sold 20 packet, okay, so let's do the same thing. Okay, 20 dot 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 until you reach the line, bring it forward to y axis, so you get 10. Okay, so we know that the profit is RM 10 ringgit. Next, if Anis earned 20 ringgit, how many packets of fried rice did she sell? Okay, now the question is about profit, right? Profit 20. Same, 20 dot 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 line until you reach the line and bring it forward to the x-axis. So 40. So it means she sold 40 packets. Okay, next. State the profit made by Anis if she sold 26 packet of rice. So now let's zoom in. So 26, this is 25, this is 26, okay? So 26, please careful with the grid. Okay. Okay, now, okay, over here. So let's look over here. You have 5 unit over here, 10 grids. Okay, so it means each two rows 1 unit. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so correct. 10, 2 boxes, 11, 2 boxes, 12, 2 boxes, 13. So over here is 13 ringgit. Okay, so RM 13 profit. State a suitable inference. Okay. What inference for this situation? You learn in science, right? Buat satu inference. Okay, so what can we say about this graph? Okay, the more number of fried rice sold, the higher the profit. Betul? Okay kan? Makin banyak awak jual nasi goreng, makin banyaklah untung. Okay? And last one, E, predict the profit Anis would have made if 60 fried rice sold. So kalau 60, cuba tengok sini. 10, 5, 20, 10, 30, 15, 40, 20, 50, 25. Each 10 packet will increase 5 ringgit, right? So 60 will be RM 30. Okay, because we know that each 10 packet will increase RM 5. Okay, because over here 50 is 25, the highest in this graph. So 50, 25. So for 60, you add another 5 ringgit. So RM 30. Okay. So that's it for today. Okay, I think it's quite fun today. We are drawing things. Okay, we are not that much calculate values. Okay, it's just that you need to fill in this blanks, so you need to calculate, and then you need to draw the axis and you need to draw the graph. Okay, so you have drawn 4 graph today, 5 graph, right? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 graph. Okay, and then you learn how to interpret information from the graph. Okay, you have done 4 questions. Okay, so I think for today, okay, you can try to do, okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, A, B. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 lah. Okay, another one is number 4. Okay, because it's weekend, right? So you can do this during your free time in the weekend. Okay, okay, wait, 8.2.3 solving problems. Okay, actually solving problems is the same like you interpret information from this graph. Okay, so for 8.2.3, okay, you can read this first. Okay, you can read it. Okay, try to understand. Okay, if you have any problem, you can comment down below, or for my students, you can just ask in our group. Okay, so settle chapter 8, graph of function. Okay, so please do your exercise. Please do it properly. Okay, don't simply copy from your friend. Okay, I don't want it. Okay, so happy weekend. Okay, please do your homework. If you have any problem, please ask me. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Okay, see you again next class in a new chapter. Okay, thank you very much.